Lisa.
Aza.
Nansa. Who's a wager? Who the one?
Langadi says money in years so.
Almost
and latest be a never update be a never when join 9 1 actually.
Nevichi.
Na we dey almost 2 years negotia no ntia boni. Ekobon nanim
tam Langadi no.
Yeah, ekobon nanim straight. It's a bon nanim za no nanim.
No the 2 more.
Oh, it's nanim za na no the koy action no.
Okodu was no be no mind na net na kunyo mo. No. Odina chija man.
But still cry say kunya will take a man.
Na ye ne Ekwam fa so ameti update no na me say onye justified in any way.
Yeah. So then ka we no kra no yes anu kra no. Sanka machicha no de go ja na ka otam no we ja na to. Otam no we ja na to.
Kra sabe ka frache. Oyare sa no. Se utimi nya homo bo.
Out story no.
Oh story ye na on story no ba.
Oh say metia na sabia nyanya no na se okopie ni pakro so a.
Obri
nyamia no be yedin
ana obri nyamini no krani
ekwa otuye no say ya oba na odi nkomo de na say ibi beko.
Oh definitely.
Yeah, say odi nkomo a.
Say madam Fumayi. Madam Fumayi oye die
ana we zo ya ne mu omre.
Man ye carpenter ni no na.
No fu ya wo mu ayebre.
Wasa. I am a giant crowd.
Any echicha o
say about pete. There's about pete.
It's a quality so I sabi awon.
Ba fine no. And the idea we say am so coffee.
Okay, but you can like.
We say shani.
Now
the pictures you know. Oh, Bema. What did they wo? Watch it papa.
Even in Sakra me sure say in Sakra.
As a move for crabbo.
Watch it sanga. Serious o.
Edi sabia pete wanimu na
o so ye
abufo no ba
yes it too wrong does not make
sense. Anyuma no nim chicha nsuno mo David chicha nsuno mo
koko wecha obani ode picture na to
awokusa ndi o dey say so hu we bie na nkasa pa
se nipa no dey so update ne ba no se eye no kra na anye no kra ba
no kwaku even sa update ne no kra na make say justify sa dey yo
anye dey kwaku enye so bi so betima force cancer
so na dwuma o ye no
and who's I don't know pity when him say what the say obi kra hwe so ye no obi so abegu so on say when body panama reaction ya na anodin
amam from na me head down for no
e dina osusu se akoe na to
ya be ni sister
down for you ba
nti do to na kasa na onwo aduane ko
yes no kwa na
opening oba ye no wa meto wen we no beto no
na opening the wo
fi ho ba ti wa bobo anu agu ho
ese kasi ko hwa we kura to say
some car so what me say asem no we dey asem na ke
obedi ayi asem na am for brand Facebook ye mighty FF from Mampo who say station e ba for na ye di coupon
yeah
am for I request yeah
GTV GBC grants
no me resist kapa na we na djumo who say na djumo mighty FM
yeah
ba fine.
Okay.
Into any catch bedu a station liver no only ne younger brother and yes
catch bedu chemicals.
David also the catch
now they be
on yes program no it way any jinumi the federal na say na obi na o say na adwumani also je federal to so yeah opening and the both we
na so dey say from na
no di try na na
what was
so na opening both
ni budi
ankani
cause ye obi as obi antwa to so da
o dey account na se kra dey kan sa kire
na tibongo so
there be say we nko betimi say o father down ho
no na go kan father down
so man po no so on dem kra dey nye abafo no ye dey Debbie kawo mu ne
Apache ono de ne Apache
yes no ye program man no be phone lines na oh DJ and then your program with the Achisa Apache oh fina no I just only say July no so
Semo.
I want to get it, but when I'm in
We personal attack.
Continue to chat with us on no, you'll be able to charge them.
Already you charge no open down sana or tia to.
Yeah.
The other side also don't say go so tin what tia what. Wager. Kaswa kwa.
Wager gba.
We are going to make some cost.
So, yeah, yeah, you
can. That's something I am.
Who continue for so munya ani.
I become if you're not toilet room to me you are.
Oh, okay.
I mean, who can
Meka chi Kofi Agye no.
Kofi Agye ne Kofi to Kofi Agye ne.
Because obi enu asabi o toilet oni fia obesan.
Obi on ma. Dabi obi on mo pemframa. O na say eyi Andy he says ni krom we
na ma da yero ko bi du ko hu say amaran sound say e ho ba bi no free
omo toilet kama pa ukro dum
so pepona no
utwa toilet no ko anim kakra mpona no na wo ho no abo na ye de agu epona no se be ya apono mo mafie no
o ma nya se ni nyina
oh
muso mu nya ni ya e de asem kra ni
bo a esi waves na tada waves na abesisa ho foko he abo na
I tada wave ho where else say man and the group is say
apology fufu aba o de festival
video ni
o share that video
come me say yeah
video free baby a public toilet no one na me de call pon and say am for her distance
boss set up gator
oh
me so come back
so o asa akoko
o so
oyin yan back
me ko nyanya no ba bi so ya chem ma die ni ma wa so say na me ma
oh mpona no ho yeah no me akra makwa ko hu
me ko tell wo funa me so me ko work
epo aye pebi okuma se pa ya de no monya na moni ano
yenchia Harriet of Multi TV makeup say what's it when wo car bi mu na
okay
when ma driver no echimto so na afi car mu ina no obi be say na aye laughter wo car mu anti echichi mu na
adie go car mu
o kan ayi tem say o mo ka say mu tem say how ya ma side
yes baby apiri kwa ka mu ma o ka ma no
ma keti baby ma gya wan anan ya fa santra kroma
woni ha no no ambafoka se kwabrani atwa ticket ama ne yere ne maso mu famra concert on de so ko huri wala
siminse
kwaku paja na bawo
ose
paja na bawo ya we
oh ale
usian pepe bi ada yi ma wana wo semba akumyo
o de bi me eba ne sei na me ma wan ro ya na 122 na sel na basa na what I say na highlights na wo mu no na mabachi aya na e boring ne tintintin no musa first na me share that na say e running na about
so onya botre na oti ase ansa
unze first ne de mitimi ya about se metranse atie ni nyina kosi sa no e boring etino we no omo wie ni say na
so far the trend here
na ma share highlights no
but the whole document no crop ho
is it god omo ya no pieces omo ya na
obi abenya mu asete na media de ba ko apie mu a before say trend tobu to ye say budget yi enya gitum a amanfo fo show mutum yi say parliament gitum a ansa na mu asem ye adwuma na bia kwa ya nya ntu na bani una wa radio ake
eya na enye common sa
bia sida say the point
Ghana bia sida liman abreso
liman de so want to Ghana mo na mu o man za
jato anya fi
o de jato asa na
liman abreso ne bisi
liman time wo
si onu kra no onu anem ra je beguafo kra na san butia no
after liman de
bisi biem
eti like say kwaku ebenya aba abonten
obi say the boys nye momo no biem Emma yenti 20 brefi na beji
say ya yi tobu juno agomia you know momo side akwaku anokwa ni nyame anim me te ya na me ka say se kai yeguso ya pedodo na ye den na ye pambi ba me ya analysis ni ye pa me hu say the empanifo ye no ebeboa ye ene say kwaku aye 2019 sika ye nya free tobu tumu aye 2 million Ghana cedis
kwa me aye analysis o
tobu tunko ano ema ana mobile money am I 571 billion?
Wow.
It is all got 1.7 every month. We have 9.9 billion. As against 2 million.
Yeah.
It is a 24 and this can need ya. Kwabule bi ka
da na kwam
to die kura no o de
I don't you want some more.
oh say
Sika man ntio. I'm the traffic come boa. Sika
go for near
money is not coming.
first ebu akwan da
Because there be a finance minister or Koke Poswa. I say ya ache if you want to see more.
na this guy market to
Bi apa. Ono tuna gbo tu egu. No go kona dey.
Omo to fridge sisi hono je na emare ho ka.
Ah no.
Bu a to di freezer.
so na woni first na car no fa nsamu no
Yeah.
I bu ntam futa bat
Omo ama so ya obehia o nti esa so obetwa to no.
Oh, it didn't tell us 4 times.
Na me ken.
Because we want to make a kind of na ye ho so amasama na to sama. But I can't.
there no okay
Na say business no ye. Obi ba no ha say on office wo fie.
hey asemu me de me ba me twa ba akopɛ me kwan me twa ba akopɛ na nim say Monday we are Monday we are me bay me ka ketwa say no ye 50 eti me man 1 cedi eti o ma me ticket ne 50 pesos coin no na me de paper no chechire coin no anam san de to na 2020 ne eti me do what back no am say ekọ no na me tamoye na gusu paper nim say na me de ma lady no ade ne born sam say na 20 pesos too no ono am say na hwe agu from kenkran na ka 10 pesos no on nsam na lady ne ti wo say me man is kafofo and I'm oh ade na no pa me twa you know once now they change na o say no on the 10 pesos ne dan nsam ti no on print me how the lady was rude there
we are there ya no obi no wo hwe ni bu atan
and no problem aduma get be nufu kese wo
hey ya
what's that now there
ko pa ke pa me ba
me ba asem na ara ho de but unyi ni se
ko ko bi nya bi da
we dey so ntimi nya sa
de man ka just tere bi monye
ne zana na on frɛ bɔ kyerɛ wa ma no
no mo dia
o get na ya the ground
adi bi on mo se
obi aswa kuma pa o
enka no
what you want
how can you do that
I was say kura kuma ah
when him classes ah
I do the same call I'm a some buy I go you momo onu ti ko na me be tues kan bi you check ka ma tues kan ma o sa twe me yi na ni tu ba bi
they go watch on so they come here on the
yeah o tell me do ma just 2020 sa ba di woni so twe 2020 sa ba na ba di to
into on kwanti no wani age sa no
I didn't give you a year my catch up a
I said go for be so duma bom omo mutunto nsuo no mani age
we are very nice some of them want to
oh some of them yes oh now you say kwame moto ho ya moto plaza ho
e mema ne wo so kra de po mo pe ko tie no
we say ebu a me do a obi a oh hello obi a oh it's saying you but obi so there me say Monday no girl no how that girl was rude to me just 50 pesos now 40 pesos are good from the way here me no
e mama mo mo
oh me mo na tell me kasa man
I'm so me page me from mo wine am say na e die hen no
da bi kaso afo ne de dodo na twa de ho no ahwa dodo na like say o me wan be kwa go gina mu
do da bi na emerafo wo mu
ah
Mirafu. Oh, still like my because
obi on
na yo obi traffic no encourse how
and I make traffic
according to speech na make kind of the test
say me sure say deputy finance minister oba no what western answer me sure so also can recommendation because sa o tragedy to
this is here
so do can swap
to obi me bo he makasa asem no happen say yen kasa yesuban a ye de tikrumu anu ankasa enye fehwe I have seen empenifo what me say government appointees omtete V8 Land Cruiser mu businessmen
or to ni efin free ni ka mu
what do to he me o come kan kwame what am mama si kwame he
my say ka be post
what am me he o come kan mu sisi a to a me ba na me twa na no pay no ticket na o de ma me no edaka anum ebi ho no a week mu na asame nko washing be nko wash car na egumu saa me ko washing be na nko wash car na na masesa ni nyina dia onu wie ye de ticket ni ma entu ofa kwan no a fita na egu obebre enti kwan na me pra kwan no why do we do this why do we do this
apart from
people who are learned ebinum ye lawyers
affect productivity
in
sense say
Charlie
let me be say 4 hours e work as one kwa to obutu a me be do adwuma mu a my exhausted dada tibitimi say na nya adwuma yie enti I affect productivity and also county ya boni nyina de to agu
this why free Galilee ho kono ho so be west it is say be fat obutu
Santa we oko etuba no wa branch wo
na say
enti e de be bo ha temanya ye kwanya eyin to obutu pa traffic ni free
Tama de end kwame all the end die enso abu problem
it is say
car track ba ko pe say e bia ne koba bi ya kakram na ja
me ho na me this car so problem this say special say we be too man na ti car kwan no moto ne wani nyina afi ma do mu da ho bridge na na make kwan na ngase do but on the half market
that's what I'm talking about
road safety awareness
budget no when be discuss it why extremo na hwe hu se
ana eromba mu
kwa me body eti we say the team has to folk a o mu hwie so trend
the last time I boy na be
hey last time munya 3 points in fiese
na kwa me kwa bro mem some board draw
uri msa mo ne kotoko wie 3 points kwa mu anya bibiem na wodi ye de wie league no unim last time mo je 3 points da ben fa mo coach as good after 3 matches wapam the coach
2
Mediama after 3 matches wapam the coach ne se baby ake kampo no eya ye hu
boy we dey nyam pam no
yes technical director be dey meet yes technical director bi ba
yes mo ko fa technical director no so dey say Mediama say technical director no mo ko fa ma no a nti oya ya mo ba ya oja ba ye no
but why should you have a problem when we bring in a technical director
Ghana had a technical director ba technical director ba pen oh hu see we do better nchen
amen oduma ya to awu yi to say obi at time say you see anasi you say but adwuma adwen na wo trim na wo de ye adwuma no anu ye produce
wo ho no bi atwe adwene no bi di abrɛ se ene
ati ase etu ti ase si ania ti say papa
ene so kasa e finance
yes na
adi ejina ko fara ba
no
on ever ma direction na wo so ko
na bi enya sanity
na sanity
kwa me sanity to the man as one fa anya adwuma na team mu so
together teamwork what you say a teamwork
kwame the team be Ghana ha
technical
okay bisa Ghana ha say bisa Sky say team be na Ghana ha wa fa technical director e do time coach da so ya ba ya no ba ya we dey
ba ma we ne ho oh
but Ghana here dey over
coach is on technical director utra have say super yes unti bita ene dey mo ko fa bi dia ne enya hwe
ya ka coach ko technical director ya ko fa bi na aba
o we dey
Sinke obi we asa contract so me coach after the ya so o
say nka two post
enye ko pana pam no
technical director enye carpenter for na you
kwakuro pana pam no
ya two post
technical director enye carpenter
it's not always the case it's not always the case
pounds oba na dwopa so ono ni
David it's not BB Manson the night train what are you talking about what are you program but it was
come the empesa me catch on say
Ghana me kwasa na me we ko ka say me
the state of the House of Football I say Ghana budget bus no I say odoko space bus na we say
bus no
anya de ehia
obi kra kan say we say ekotwi
when you pray be sin there no insurance unim bus ho asem ka obi kra wuye na yire say be sin there
oh da bi ya hwe no
where was you na ben oboa ye boa
kroboa ye
bus no
krobia ye hwe no
ye bi on ma unya nso an ba
e kwa me enti yen kan siso say yenya de
ana
ta brewa
eye bi was ana na pese obeti ase
ya ka pro
be fia
ahia no nkunsa
ya shini nyina wa
yese na de masha kwa
saba hasa anya coach sketwa
yese masha kwa bibire
coach bonifita anya half cast
na bonifita say Ghana had o mabu
ana me tell no enti no we bonfo
adenti unim say alaji
gusa kotokoda top league level kotokoda top
unim say alaji gusa no league ya start your 3
ma kan has for there no
ona kwa bibire dia no
there be or say House of Folk
why is South Africa why is South Africa for no
because South Africa for no Ghana for no
o ma ku Ghana ni
na we new
na Ghana
Openity
has bus no
o say
me see any so any
you best and I'm sure I said one can want them when come bu and on can want them
na NCC dia ba no me be sende wo mo page bia o mo create ni nkomo mo di wo so o mo so plot against
any je kan
that mean to be kind of way
na me ba o me san ko budget mu biem na enti roads na
we ya me charge akwa ba ko number ho we pe no
openi
WhatsApp group no akwa ba ko number onze ne number ho
je say ba ku ya wan ka say papa yi ekọ ka te so ne ade ade na me hunu na wo mu those roads no e na kura me wa yi but they want ka
so nya nti still wo
we be say na unreflected za temamoto we
expansion
wa de ene akosombo road de ni na so say ni
yeah
flight 2022 de mu united
any budget we mu
any mu na me ka say
how much say no budget no ho na different na intia mem sa ti so
any omo mo ho ye high na de ayi de ya o da bi omo yehu
am Koko stadium
Koko asemi na obeka obeya ma akoka
am Koko stadium be sin ne
obeya ma akoka
ye ko twa homa mu mi na be obeya ma kasama enye akire
me ka bi akire
ai for the scaffolding
me say
I can how can you get kwa account to go for baby how me to you you go so dey aso kan no ho but ya sa
ya tibia tinkon
ahano scaffold area
ahano ye capital no ne ha
go for brebre say dey ska ka mo kro nkasa asem
ECOWAS de ndia kwa brania sisi suro nti nipa 4 pe Koko studio we kan bete temu anu mudi o matem
ECOWAS de
ECOWAS
hotel say
enra we
papa Rosity no person kan
papa hotel kakaka ya wasi
enra ne ECOWAS
kan hotel no on family stadium
minga so family stadium just onu nko ambo woto bus ma mo sabaje mo anu mutimi di atemu ama ye nipa ya nti no omo no ye ma mo no
ndi enye stadium no ka so for na stadium de bi o omo ne sama
oh top no
aso tef ba ko krani ho
top emi kan uche mi epa
OPK ye ne family che begani
you want to understand say NDC timi ba na omo yo mi ma de
we dey honorable Brian Champon honorable Brian Champon
they dey do anything for
honorable Brian Champon abo di miensa
to was me ba
honorable Mr. we dey bo modi abu ni
obri nyabote
ona say enanu me ko
me ba kwakunya me ba
apapun kure ye bi wagogo
me say
so my ba
me say munya bote oh Kwame one after the other nyabote Kwame a raise issue bi na a very critical pa me pese o kasa asem ye hwe no kura wum say NDC aban timi ba
DC from
eba aban mu na ye pe bia DC from NDC
ye DC impo ohoho ko sina ko fa bi aba
really
they don't help us etimi dey me Koko stadium si anye Koko stadium a me na me di campaign anim si anye ampudi ye stadium ne pe o forget bi bia o nya stadium pe
e serious issue pa
no nya ba bi mo bo
Kwame
na say ball for mu wi
o nya hu mi na to bi ko pe bi the whole Koko ye se ko bo ko park ni wo the whole Koko
I didn't park in you
nti wo se tof no ba ko kura ni esoro ho
se o mutimi nye stadium ko munya astroturf ba ko pe
e bi ni soro e free from hoko
ko bi no ko be embrace stadium no na de kakraka
a hono se Brighton Park ana
Brighton Park nti mutimi nye turf ni bi wo ma ama pass for St Peters for Chris for Rage for some school say wonya ko entimi test astroturf kakra e wo mo life
assemble now kan ya to boy
na say ma akwanya se ka bi to boss
one district one factory about the whole ko one me bi wo testimony
Kwame egusu a o kwan mpacho mo mra Facebook why yame adom a memene de be na wotwe ne ekọ work no pani na last
at work no kraba
at work na ba the last work na ekọ and that was 2020 or 2020 2019
no
2019
it was 2019
there be
before COVID right
19 2019 I mean some in
2019 oh yeah. Okay
eti no ho pictures no maron kakra e de ama jeku aja odi eti sa pictures work na ekọ pictures no e de omo na omo nware ye omo sisi omo aware ni ade nyina ewu Kwame
ne kra
yeah
As a binum konya.
Na Jeko the other two way fufu you dey you.
Ai fufu no we nyame adom a. Me de ebe na wotwe work na ebe.
There be the wrong old ones ni we na we na we no dey wager we na to so sa we fufu ya ebe ko.
Yeah. Obi amra ne nante. The last time they na ekonyi ko shia era se tekwe wo.
Ye ne se tekwe ne ko.
Ope kuma ne wo fa be be start them say.
Na ye just start ope kuma.
We do ope kuma be fo.
Kaso ope kuma.
Na wo dey ko dey ho.
But next work bi ya ne be ko kaso a. Ye clear way free.
Enya no kre.
Oh, how close me?
Enya no kre.
Yes.
Enya no kre. Na ya na David titi. Na honu ya. Driver si na anti drive basa na.
Kaso driver bi an drive basa.
Masa.
No, I tell drivers.
Enya no kre. Enya no kre.
Nanu ye news yi ebe say dem enrampo ka yi ti free baby a onam e cross the call baby akodi e container nra yi
container was so nema free time ebe san kwata kwade
enya ho ne si ka so e ho de enya ma test si no na me ko
me say Kwabra ne sunyo ma fitama. Oye be san kwata kwade akofia bu ka so.
Omo peso mu sere wo ne ko ye no. Pictures we kakra bi e be release ni kakra krasa.
Akete na edina ni mo za no.
Ya no se ayi Liverpool atade ezuzo odogo ye pa.
O shape pa.
Na ne ho ofe pa.
O se pon ye hu ba bi o fa.
Babo su be be so se gas ni wo. Petama ne ya twisoro ku no. Nuza kwa bi otarige bi to aga ne ko bi an ko
modi soro ku nyina ko
papa bi so na one emma mienu aboso ona
pani ba akwada
ba ku ya pani akwada de ase yesha
oya kola za o ba sister no jina o na ni afi pa papa bi so pen kola o re
ya no so white
se onu waso enso aso ansa
de so white de santi o timi santi pa
papa no waso oh na papa de ya atafate eje ko ya fuck you
na wana Chelsea no
papa bi so pen kola
ba fi Chelsea no o tite obi ko sana
I had the soda ono so anya ge ba ko a ni slimu jire oda na beti so
afiri ebe me ni akom ho pa ya the task force beba
yeah so oh ni nufu kura twi hada da chi ada say
ayi Agapim brothers ye be ko kaso de nkian fa nkwa sha ma
oh kaso de mo nyi hu mienu na dangerous dangerous onam ka kwa ho kaso a dangerous dangerous who's that here
oh easy cry
obri set up na ba
Friday anọpa bia
set up na ojina mu
afia man kwata makro na jina ho
afia ba ho
afia ba ni afia me na me jina
am say dey no obri ji so o be se kwada bure o na
me na me da me jina afia achi no
no
wunim de nti ameka se kaswa na be hadwen no who said this side ha no
ka chem se kwan
let me explain obri
ore betima kono
mama nu sie adama se wu kasa kra me say mama nu si wu betima se ayi mensa ho peduase ho no ekwan no itself nankasa no dangerous for drivers come on and when they are driving on that side they are very careful enti ho no nam a cool that aha mo ko speed gidigidi e ko speed o mo ko so yi me konanti ona ti fan chan ya
traffic ni ntikra be traffic be ha
o de yan kwa yi mensa na me pacho
domine egu ho no a we expect say domine be
pictures ni na so e ampofo pictures me ana me run that pictures we na ebi wa hanum say ya ndi because me release ya be hardware
kwaku aha the Lodge Tavern you kodu ya na ye aerobics no yeah
yes raw mo say obi e ba ko work yes raw emfa no smacks in show hwene no be am fa bi mo ne
hwene no be say announcement na men no already
no fakuta na mo say wo nanti no
so positive what do mo obia
ti dem pesa me cheren say o nanti say say wo de show hwene say work now exercise now
o be some patients ne ba kwa asore free ayi your friend say
onya bedru ye rubbish na de obeti ma she na mo say wo work a o de sha
foul nose mask.
Yes.
Mamutie obiri abu afa.
Men ka se mo mfa ma o. Dem se de me twem no ntia.
Obiri nyabotre.
Fabra.
Odi ba na onye yi obiri.
Oka ofri.
Because
me se obiri ye kasana eye say say hia esa tie
for.
fonte.
Dr. Beka chef say wo tumrika. Na sa the same time ne shower. Obetima sofocate.
Wo de jamo no obi se face mask she obi. Na ofro no no ahwe na obre na ote so a obetimi atwe abafo mu agwa ho ni enye obi na be che
ka so na kodi a ha de enko
e nka se o mu mfa mo me se o mu mfa na mo
announcement we
show se o de be show ha
ye gym na ogina ho no utimi ze wa de pa aha
na wana she white ogina fia man ko achi sa
eno ubi sasa aye den
na watade na nimu no
ubi sasa matade enu aye den obi wo ye daibo pa wo ye daibo pa matade enu aye den matade enu aye den
Bible say we na be hu
matade enu aye den wo ye daibo sa kaswa man
kama
that's right
I mean commentary no baby omu gina yi the Lord Tavern name bar ho ana omu gina mu twa sanfo it was about cookie video account
ai
kwa cookie video account one investigation
oh na say me ne den ya
esenfu mu de bi na no
da wonu
so chim na no
ana ntunkum
na
yi
ntunkum it over first cap
na so say wa fushi asese ya kesi ya che o
aha so kotokoro de say ya che
Afushi say ya kesi ya che
ana abutu asona afia mankwa atos any from now ni we no we increase kakra
afia so ni mu so ono de na ho sa no
oso kwa so de asem kwa ni a oh David
number 28
yes by kwa ni
mon frɛ fia ma
o hwɛ akyire on so say mma bi gu akyire sa brofo o mu nyina ba work ni bi
kwame nya botre na de analyze fia picture no
oso ja eye obri Jeko
sanfo na kita
kwaku tama so yapon kwaku yes
weekend me ko obodi ndian yi makota potata ni nua
me ko akosu agele yi yeah
kwaku aye ni yama me correction say yes nye ye be ye won kokko
akosu agele because na me kai
na akosu ya de
akosu agele
oye bema
one fantastic woman
oye ba
akosu agele
yes girl
oye nice woman pa
oye very fantastic woman etikwaku anu ho asem no nti say yes ye ayi eno asem puma na bo ma ho mchem say ono aye contractor o chem say enye people so na downtown say na ko ye no oboba village
okay
so
yeah
say na ko bi china
o mekobi
Saturday
this weekend yeah
ti unam na humi na me kokko me dia ye ba me ko se me ntise wakra se ko ye da why wa dun se unye
oh David no wo de bi ntimi ndi tell nga obi ntimi che da be
my wakra so ko onko yi
oh da usa kuma se
na da ye kuma se nkwa na ekwa yi ye aba wa around head na
around had obi odin bia be catch us o invite me ya me ba no die
mi hu za wo kwa yi da se de kwa me kan
Saturdays no what
ana kaswa na ko no
ba bia obi oni mi bia be invite me bia me ko ba kuma se de usa kuma se ko yi busu yenu dum ntimi mfi
ko we de kwaku de di bi amanfo no se we de ye se makono
ye wie you know
lusu energy
fu aye sa ko di shegu no
ana Jerry Justice ane ema bia na kan ye ho
ese wa
ko si nkonya ane huma ayi animal parts ne gi ni nyina bi straight to apodia ene da Jerry anim se ayi odunsini
akakaduru eda so pa
na se ra mudina da pakiza
oni no
da bi
ko de o
brem ko dogen ni abre ni abre
nti ahwode amokoyi ye nyina ko na Israel no ubi na msadi sade
for promise you said you we man we bi adi ye ntimi promise ye nyawrade but over pescasa o metima chiro bi fufu ni wo na me ntimi
na US wani mu phone se ne obeti esi miamia de ne dan bi kompa
e de kom kwa
de na me kan sa o
David
kankamia de wompe
ese wa
de wompe kankamia ni oka na kankamia se unji
ana unba ko mi ko fa kankamia
yes sorry ko ene kra de minim ba bia fa ya nza ba wasema tintintin ye ka bi bia wonte sa ka se de ko ni yes sorry ko abusua ya fa onyame ya mo chere betra so azeme nkure ni your first that kesema will let properties Yeah, oh yes, special discount sale. We a Christmas promotion. Tifi sabe ya kopim say bronya bosume be kwa wie no. Ya tete en sas ni nyina so ntie nei eye chopoli. Oba obetimi anya asase wo eye positive potemo no 4,000. Ena Asutrai Junction also obetimi anya asase 4,000. Dowenya obetimi anya asase 6,000. Ayikuma obenya asase 10,000. Apollonia pram ho nyina ya tete asase guo no mu a ya tete prices no so kra ye de emo manfo etifa ho gim na onso ebeje wo de ansa na promo no akwa wie ye your installment payment plan ewo ho ye free site visit and ye free documents and so edema obenwu ye chia kwan wa Shaman Timber Market roundabout on the Michelle Camp Road. Ekita dey be annual phrase 0244 756 984 and our 0243 740 485. Yan fast day di o ma Airtel Tigo. Yeah, and they are also de Tugumisu promo no aba. It is raining cash everywhere in Ghana. Every hour, every day, every week, every month. Cash now na yes prego man for so sa. The patrol dial star 500 hash. Ne recharge with 5 cedis or more. Ne build the points. Sounds so na Airtel Tigo money transactions no so yet more. I fear to data bundles ne use no more. And I'll bet me so boost 2 points no. Our Brian daily SMS trivia no do ho shimbi 30% respect no answer some simple questions now all building more points. We need be a number ba ko pre any e dey efre wo 0260000100. Any other number be afro say we need be or Airtel Tigo Tugumisu promo no a scam. Ne kind so share so said the grand cash prize nankasa 100,000 Ghana cedis. Airtel Tigo, life is simple. As they do your farmer Kale Charcoal toothpaste papa when you be edichu say and more no say wine when you good fresh breath when you whiter teeth and more gum no air strong and healthy and prevent cavities things that was to be so nina ebe call Samara Company Limited na kofa Ediaba. Iti bomodi ama onsa encounter the FDA muhwemu aja tum say how be any Kale Charcoal toothpaste. Happy smile. Afias dey do from Casa Preco Company Limited. Yeah, they are also a day wow promotion aba. Etemwa till the end of December 2021. Yes, a better 1,000 packs of assorted drinks. Now you 100 packs free and fantastic just like that. It is a week. Mineral water 500 ml now 750 ml no what to be. Now fee combo nana me de man no. Now it be a storm 500 ml and now say choco malt 500 ml and now Puma cola now Puma tamarind and now crown multi fruit 500 ml no. Okay, combo now it do 1,000 now you 100 packs free the account. Cost accredited key distributors across Ghana and our fake Casa Preco Depot across Springtest Kumasi Tanoso and our fake Chima who any tamalina. So Kobasa won't me 1 night now method they out there friend and drinks and now open on Yankee Kamumwa 200 now 1,000 now you say 100 packs the account. And on the free near load the Guka and Wakawama. Near bed deliver the amount or doorstep. Yeah, and only free of charge. Untia for delivery. Sana Shano Etie. A departure friends is here 050-162-074 and off 050-156-2072. And Sheka Crown Wayano so Casa Preco Company Limited. A step beyond excellence. After your first day, you are Go TV. Also, make sure so stay connected on Go TV. Let me enjoy a captivating moment on La Liga, Serie A, and our favorite Premier League near that league speed now. I can about football, papa pane there, and your Go TV Chrome den pa. Connected from as low as 48 Ghana cities. While using my Go TV app. Let me out witness it. Your football action, papa. Go TV, love it. I first way call Ediama in boost herbal mixture. Police in a Bruno. Papa. A draw on one a more immune system no ya den. What you make now so ye precope. Sebeya yari bia ntimi emebobo basa eno ne friend in boost herbal mixture aka protein aduro no so wonum aduro bia infections bia beba bia or system nan kasa be fighting one time modern aso do any be chimo Kings Walk okay she drug lane of Ekus Pharmacy with Dama Pharmacy Tribe of Judah Pharmacy all alternative and dependable bar shops across the country and of a health alert shop at St. John's or call Little George Health Shop on Swat do be on Yebiano on Sa Ebeka sounds no bit me afraid 0243 115 948 and 0246 208 496 na do bia wuhia bia no ye de beso mo utie 106.3 Adom FM Ghana's #1 radio station. Ye kan fo Ayoba e de amount app for Friday MTN akofa e de aba app no emu ye utimi ye call wo so utimi chat wo so you can share, you can play, you can pay and you can listen to music. Our app back so for everyone. Yes, utimi kwa send this through MTN Momo while you chat with your favorite vendors, family and friends. And you also get to catch up with all the latest trends on various channels. You can play games, listen to music, and do so much more, all in the comfort of one social app. Ayoba. Download this AYOBA. Ayoba from the Google Play Store and App Store and enjoy a whole new way to communicate and have fun. Connections say Ayoba is available to all networks, but MTN users get to enjoy it at no data cost. So hurry now, download Ayoba. Ayoba, made in Africa for the world. And no enchimo and no.
Open Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style.
Happy birthday, Uncle Emma, Reverend Frank Boateng of Air Prayer Cave Ministry International Watermark Community 7. And now I would Yama pa Yame Oisha non count now on domo. Reverend Frank Boateng. When so please wish the following a happy birthday. That's today, the 17th of November. Mrs. Frida Ajwa Aite, Nana Ya Sewa Tremantin, and then a happy birthday in advance going out to Mrs. Esther Atak Kunedu, all of St. James Catholic Church Osu. May the good Lord bless them with good health and favor. From mom, grandma, aunties, cousins, and then St. James family. Can you please help me with this dedication from Pa Kwesi Shiddles? I hope I got it right. I'll say happy birthday, Uncle Emma, Miss Emanuela and Kroma, a nurse at Gumwa Ugwa Health Center. And then a happy birthday, do belated Uncle Ma ADO2 George Ejapon, Head of Procurement at Ghana National Fire Service Headquarters.
Open Gangnam Style. Sexy lady. Be the norm.
Sami sorry no pa. Kale Chaco toothpaste na me de twetwe me se. And mommy confidence. The money nyina.
Se wushia ama na me sifite gusuna mesrea. Eya wanwa me de Kale Chaco toothpaste. Ene twetwe me se. Oba de ni pa e wo bidie mu no. Ene e dia ye Kale Chaco toothpaste. E boy se ho ban e free mwawa e boy se mu tokro. E se ahye ene enumunka. Sure say amani Kale Chaco toothpaste so ni yeti center for.
Media magic Kale Chaco Choco toothpaste at tubu. Me use no pa na dwa me kodano. E ma me see fita. Confidence level
Kel Choco toothpaste mono MSC fita. E mana hoden ne sayin kabia. Mo wonu me ram. Enunti mo amonom coffee, wine, any tobacco e kamo sesono. Abama mo Kel Choco toothpaste. Sankofa ENG.
Kel, happy smile.
FDA, Adi, Ejodi Nkrato Yatomo.
Hey! When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, any offense were back.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and you're ready for Diamusa Moya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a Peja immune system Nabribia. Ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a month for the one, and the Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarua who ran Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarua Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a hoka. No, Yamwa suing in no, a way of buying every home. And now I'm pa, one Yarwana Dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep in tea. Ya Omuntim Pose, Yaria Esomo, Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kaisi, and you are may move Bia Yato in row, at to form 0246 20 8496. FDA, Ashisha said, Jadian Kratui Maja to Musay.
Take a break from life and chores to relax and rehydrate. Freshen up throughout your day with the refreshing goodness of Voltic Natural Mineral Water, sourced from the heart of Ghana for true and safe refreshment.
Voltic, naturally, a product of the Coca-Cola Company. This advert is FDA approved.
Wondering what to do with your Cerelac 400-gram tin? The new Cerelac Wheat 350-gram pouch value pack is the ideal choice to refill your tin. It is affordable, convenient, and still provides key nutrients, iron, vitamin A, B, and D, zinc, and iodine to support normal cognitive function and help promote optimum growth and development. Grab your value pack at a retail shop near you. Cerelac 350-gram, more for less. This advert is FDA approved.
Sami Soriano Pa, Kel Choco toothpaste na me de twitwe missing. And mommy confidence, the money nyina.
Se wushia amana misifite gusuna mesrea. Eya wawahu me de Kel Choco toothpaste. Ele twitwe missing. Obadi eni pa e wo bidie mu no. Eni edi aye Kel Choco toothpaste. E boy sin ho ban e free mwawa e boy sin mu tokro. E si ahye eni enumunka. Sure say amani Kel Choco toothpaste so nie. Yeti center for.
Media magic Kel Choco toothpaste at tubu. Me use na no pa na dwa me kodano. E ma me see fita. Confidence level kwaso etibinama. Na me see 32 ni na guso.
En kaneno ani ma me num di bidie twitwi yense no. Asaya bebie mu o. Bidie wo Kel Choco toothpaste mu no. MSC fita. E ma na hoden ne sayin kabia. Mo wonu me ram. Enunti mo amonom coffee, wine, any tobacco e kamo seso no. Abama mo Kel Choco toothpaste. Sankofa ENG.
Kel, happy smile.
FDA, Adi, Ejodi Nkrato Yatomo.
GSM Asaya Babiamo, November, Malcolm the Black Friday everyday sale. Abba Ameja de Ayason Kokra.
Gentin Assassin will train Kosi Busumi, Asan Wenya Sa Kwenye. Wamra Malcolm the Black Friday everyday sales Remau de Biaran. Unyasa Kwenye will be Biaro.
The Joe Malcolm online. Anasa Bora Malcolm and Krabatebia. Nefa Umushesa Malcolm Black Friday everyday sale. Shunkuimu.
Masa Kwenye Empire. Malcolm Black Friday everyday sales. It's simply unbeatable. Terms and conditions apply. Malcolm, where Ghana shop.
If I get some 500 Ghana, see
this guy, some profit and loss accounting balance, Anna.
I want to see if I have enough cash for my dream TCL TV.
Kwesi, what if I tell you TCL is giving you an early Christmas present with an unbelievable discount of 30%?
My friend, stop the joke.
It is true, Kwesi. From 1st November to 31st December 2021, TCL gives you 30% on all TVs, air conditioners, washing machines, soundbars, routers, modems, and phones.
Meaning I can afford to buy my dream TCL TV this early. Visit any TCL showroom for this offer. No, store.tclghana.com is the only online sales outlet for TCL. You can also call us on 0596 913 298 TCL.
All SIM cards in Ghana must be registered again with only the Ghana card. Yes, only the Ghana card.
You will not be able to make voice calls, use mobile money services, internet, and all other services linked to your SIM card if you don't.
To register, dial *404# and follow the prompts. You will be required to send the following details on your Ghana card: Ghana card number, surname, first name, date of birth, and sex.
You will then receive a special code which you will present to your nearest service provider agent or customer care center for your biometric details to be captured. Remember to add your digital address.
Dial *404# on your phone to start registering your SIM card today.
For more information, contact your service provider on 100 or the National Communications Authority on toll-free number 0800 110622. Register your SIM card to stay connected.
Ofia Kwanso with me and Jerry Justice.
Angelina, what's that?
Yeah, so after the walk,
yes, when
the free,
Angelina, what's that?
Yeah, so after the walk,
yes, when
the free,
Angelina, what's that?
Yeah, so after the walk,
yes, when
the free,
Angelina.
We're over. Chief Obi. Fine fuel. So to fuel a there pan I out share him quite. Is it affordability? Say fuel now turn on price in that form. Is it quality? Say fuel your kama pan ya there. Any abusia, you are taking a step further with Torrid. Yes, Torrid. Abba Eddie amount I know about the excellent service. Yeah, Torrid. The newly launched oil marketing company. I just officially be first fuel station La Paz to provide the clean and affordable fuel. Yeah, we no car no it deserve it. You know what I'm saying? So drive through the La Paz N1 road station or be on the lookout for our new stations to be opened very, very, very soon in your hood, and fill your car with quality NPA approved fuel at the best price. Be your energy partner of choice, and your car will thank you. That's what it is. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, that one will take us to Achisa. Oh, Tiasa Jai. I say, Bibi Ashe.
Rap element mukakra.
Hey, Dema.
So a permit ma. Nankama more 1 or 2 moves me.
Okay. Go on.
Man fancy said be.
Okay, fashion down here.
Jija. Yo. I do my FM's live. Feel a zone. It's never dull.
Yeah.
Now you know rapping baby go down.
Wow, Charlie Bibi Aboko there.
Yeah, nyamina dumara.
Yeah, the nyamias. Na den eko.
Na yen enda no.
You try too sharp near go.
Someone why they is watching ehwa. Ehu da watching no. Ye was salad kakra. Neze chefa kakra so ato ho. Na wo le kakra. Nti bibia kakra.
Okay.
Ehu nti den saman oyen kakra. Nti saman fan shas na man fa kron to ho mo a.
Yanko.
Ende. Ya ta asem bi na da masam nde bia yete. Na nde ye pede ye catch one day. Se ewo music industry nim. Na sa wo za ye wa adwende. Nkofo onwomara. Copyright wo say ye bisa. Wait the madna ne mbisa nyimpa ne nwom mbisa consultation bi anyi wana ankahwe ne so ma na erebonwom na oya zin kakra onye he na yereko asem oda hwanyen ntinda na Abuaje da Costa also be siu Kwame Eugene na Captain Planet no ye hu kakra
sa ayi enwom no po abode ne nwom feeling bam no enyamye jawa no abode and I say because feeling bam no baby a woman no
chorus no
baby a hono po chorus dem po
o sheho baby chorus na bibi
Mikaya
but the man samina wo no abode mi o shemu
I think that was happening
osinde say nka wobuna nka baba na nando na we baby sa no
ai obi na waye odabeku
ezali
sa hono wo sa
ezali
sa no we obi na waye really
no so na wezi won yo papa post na de bia nkofo wo yanda maz no nkahwe na this time is illegal action na
wow
take you be inyo nti ono no ho asamenyen nti se tie hen wo fia akoyen Facebook page na pictures bibia the whole name na Abuaje da Costa or kasa
that's right
nti next story Stone Boy ya yen Aboy sin the sisi wa bre na onkasa bio a oso gamro what the 2000 na wa kado engine 2000 na wazema nti yanso yesre gamro bebia wo biara he ne nwom right now
tia kakra
me take where compare bibi
the thing they inside such things you are there for consult keke open we dey ibina baby abesi no ye dey hane shemu about ye hu say we ibina there because see there's nothing new under the sun adia na ye rotate na ye kwa we dey akwa no kind of if you be guy for Temawe you see say somebody go chase your girl where you go fight there be our boy part because you know say the girls be merry go round
ti do ko da ma
adia na ye rotate so
ba won so ya wo mi chara na wa me ye hu n'enyim kakra enyim na san wan so obeye one rendition bi wa na wa ye na ya ti won kakra nti Stone Boy asamorican gamro ya tata ya bre CCM pinyufo bebe wo biara Stone Boy catching one don't know why you're tired of talking until he's not going to talk no more until 1 hour. So we feel the 2100 na wajeje mu no ya won kodun yanda mara no don't kashi until no this brings us to the last story for the day.
All right.
Prophetess Bio na broje wi asam no oye ameta na makra rusu nsem bi dama no na ye kwan yi ye hunyimpo ye na wo hyesumase na wo rekunkwofo oye wati Jesus
I see me no so right
oye broje wi oye into prophetessy what akọ bia o Ghana heyaro onye chiro Ghana heya na we kun na bisam da basam sie awu bisam chada bisam da sie
dey catch him then
into asam o sie nye dey owo fio na wo so bi aba for consultation no e do sanso connect ro kwacha pro ho bio the consultation room wow no was slit in the truth yandam no one second was one was I don't want to imagine it was one by heart na samane ya sama oye na yi na me peda me kache asofofo no mde onyi de bia consultation wa doso ho she won port consultation na wo be 50 million no deminka no ono kwa enyi moya na okwache prodem wa oh God onya wo china ya wo ya no me hu she wo ma me na ya o God sadie na mo ye no wonjai na the madzen ya bre wonjai
ya te
ntinda samo wonyin
all right ya te ya da say na the omu ni say I'm all for my fans on Facebook. What's good evening? I say, just Wefi Grace, Eresi, Enu, and Enchain, and Kenny K. I say, hey, Blige, this your new girl. She get vibes, so. And then Jerry Kells one to your first like I said, my Vodafone or my dama, and I'm saying I say me a different a bro. Now Vodafone saying can't you say SIM cards na Joko about your phone yeah register SIM cards in there. Yeah, so to me register there, but you see only the Ghana card and I dey register. It you Ghana card no any crowd there hwehwe kwan anymore you know. Wait me ahwe na why you now they are register on account Ghana card ne pe na wabo star 404 hash. Na fi what follow prompt no. You be required so be provide your Ghana card pin no. Na fi send name and first name and our first names na fi date of birth and gender now the account. Now on be generate a code be the amount so code no. And now or they be call or customer service center hall now you take you biometric details no the account na say bibia I complete. It is na yen say bibi chwa adwan send the SMS for call 655 on Vodafone na yembo yes sir friend National Communications Authority on toll free number 0800 110 622 na ya boy sankra to Stoneboy trick the thing Vodafone for that man on the brand Vodafone together we can. And this is Bogo Blade with Django. Where my child? Turn up. Hey. Under me. One tabatu. Where you come from, Django. It's a dream come true. When we step in the yard, let us home. Django. Django. Me go speed. Django. This a ghetto anthem for the street. Boom. Them a know say can't fool the lie. Django. This started from the icon thing. Django. With your chick and what is a python thing. Django. Star boy for the Django. Me everybody get all the eyes on thing. Django. Now my song is a bangari. Django. Alla mum pop champagne. Django. From Utumi na to Hallelujah to the Zaman na ya hit it all the tangari. Django. Enti se me faha. Django. Django. Me hona se me soha. Django. Jimmy shoot. Django. Bometa. Django. Sound looking at me bucket. Django. 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 I'm a soon son of my happy day. Django. Satamari Django. Pati pata wari Django. Mede batu gringo ringo. Tisha sata wale. Django. Made biti besasha kwade. Django. Nimi jimi diti shangwa made. Django. Shabu kunya fraske. She will feed me dinu wasa wankwa nade. Beji kisi Django. Seba me wana se me soha. Django. Shemi shu. Django. Bometa. Django. Sound looking at me bucket. Django. Shuiru. Django. Pama soon sana maya happy Django. I feel Yan con one tabatu. Do the dance of Django. Alla mama me fans only. Django. Check it there, papi do what's it there? 2 day more. Let's give them an example. Pretty girl come squeeze my thing. Rabbit in the yemi 2
Allah move to makabira muna zuwa gari kamanda
Rascal cool style
Sound if I was from Sekaboom Django Fantana beje stamp shaka goom Django Rasta man say boy you know too good up say me really one taba two Django to my ghetto family my shot in a yen Django me a pray God help you cause it even move me break it up Django things I'm ever Django Django
All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Bogo Blay will take us to check our time. That's right, yeah. Time to check out of here and make way for the news at 6 on 106.3 at Dome FM. Happy birthday, come on, Abigail, family. Oh, I had to come to do. Ella. And I pray Assemblies of God Church. May God pour his blessings upon your life. We all love you, Abby. From your mom, your brothers, your sisters, and the family. And then your brother, Kwesi, and then Uncle Sam of Eskas, Tema Community 2. Hey, Neziabo. I'll say, my name is Mike from Ashaman. Please, I want you to wish my sister a happy birthday. She is called Amma Amwako Ampoma, finance manager, Goodyear Energy or Tema. Please tell her, Mommy, that's Rosemary Dueje at Ashaman Kufor Station. Loves her so much, and may the Almighty God mount her feet on high ground above her enemies.